Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to kick a player in Project Zomboid. First, you need to have admin or moderator privileges on the multiplayer server. Only players with the proper permissions can remove others from the server. Once you're in the game, press enter to open the chat box where server commands can be entered. To kick a player, type /kick space username and press enter. Replace username with the exact in-game name of the player you want to remove. As soon as the command is sent, that player will be immediately disconnected from the server. This doesn't permanently remove them. They can still reconnect later unless they are banned. If you want to include a reason for the kick, you can type /kick space username space -r space then your reason, adding a short explanation after the name. This will show the player why they were removed when they get kicked from the server. Another way to kick players is through the admin panel. If you're an admin, press escape. Open the players list in the admin menu. Then select the player you want to manage. Choose the option to kick them from the server on the right panel. This method is often easier if you're managing multiple players. And that's how you kick a player in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.